Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We from Group 5 will present our PowerPoint about air pollution report in Jakarta. Air pollution is the entry or mixing of harmful elements into the atmosphere which can result in environmental damage, disturbance to human health, and generally reduce environmental quality. The problem of air pollution in Jakarta is caused by the action of the people who live in Jakarta itself. And the factor that contributes the most to air pollution in Jakarta comes from people's daily activities. More specifically, the issues come from motor vehicle fumes.
In your opinion, what causes air pollution? What causes air pollution is 20% people said air pollution caused by cigarette smoke. 20% people said air pollution caused by factory smoke. And 60% people said air pollution caused by factory emission. So can we conclude that factory emission is cause more air pollution? What do you think about air pollution? 70% people said air pollution is environmental pollution caused by cigarette smoke, factory smoke, and factory fumes. 25% people said air pollution is caused by toxic gas such as carbon dioxide gas and carbon monoxide gas. 5% people said air pollution is caused by global warming. So can we conclude? According to public, that air pollution is environmental pollution caused by cigarette smoke, factory smoke, and factory emission.
What is your solution to reduce air pollution? I try to reduce air pollution by switching from private vehicle to public transport. That way we can record 57 private valence pollution, 40 rate of pollution in anywhere south away. Here it can be pollution that valence smoke cause more air pollution. We are the most contaminated place in your air pollution. Cause of air pollution, 15 rates is caused by waste disposal systems. 32 rates is caused by water pollution, and 52 fifth rate by automobile industry. It was conscient the most pollution and cause air pollution is the automobile industry.
How bad is the air pollution in Jakarta, in your opinion? In my opinion, the air pollution in Jakarta is very bad. 85% is very bad, 10% is average, and 5% is not bad. So, the conclusion is that pollution in Jakarta has a bad impact from serious consequences caused by humans themselves.
What do you think about the current air quality in Jakarta? Based on the survey, we have connected 47.50% of people state that the air condition in Jakarta is getting better. 25% of the air quality in Jakarta is bad, and the remaining 27.50% of people in Jakarta state that the air quality in Jakarta is getting worse. Therefore, we can conclude that the air condition in Jakarta is currently getting better than the previous years. In your opinion, why does Jakarta have air pollution? Yes, there are many causes of air pollution, such as air pollution caused by increasing number of smoky vehicle users, illegal lodging, and smoking habits. In Jakarta, As many as 80% of people said that air pollution is caused by facial fumes. 10% of people said that air pollution is caused by illegal logging, and the remaining 10% of people said that air pollution in Jakarta is caused by smoking. So, it can be concluded that the cause of air pollution in Jakarta is greater due to the increasing number of smoky facial users.
What is vulnerable to the effect of air pollution? In my opinion, many people know that the main thing that is easily affected is people who suffer from diseases such as asthma and others. 90% of people believe that diseases caused by air pollution are very dangerous, but behind it all we can fix it by reforestation on very strict corner.
What do you think will happen if the air in Jakarta is polluted? The impact that occurs if the air in Jakarta is polluted is 45% of the impact on global warming, 50% having an impact on breathing, and 5% having an impact on the greenhouse effect. So the conclusion is the interfering with breathing is the impact that occurs if the air in Jakarta is polluted.
1. Minimizing the use of private vehicles. The first step that can be taken to reduce air pollution in Jakarta is to minimize the use of private vehicles. The reason is the situation occurs because of the large amount of exhaust fumes produced by vehicles, whether cars or motorcycles. 2. Maintenance of vehicles' engines routinely. Vehicles that are not regularly and regularly maintained are more at risk of polluting the air around them. This is caused by a faulty engine and oil that has never been changed. Therefore, always schedule car or motorcycle maintenance every time. 3. Using public transportation. Compared to using a private vehicle for daily activities, it's better if you switch to public transportation. The capital city of Indonesia also has a variety of public transportation options ranging from Transjakarta, Electric Rail Trans, QRL, to Mass Rapid Transit, MRT. 4. Walking or cycling. For those of you who live close to the office or want to go somewhere close, there's nothing wrong with walking or cycling. In addition to reducing Jakarta's pollution, these two cycle activities are also able to make the body healthier and fitter. Not only that, either walking or riding a bicycle can reduce stress levels that are often experienced by office workers. 5. Creating a garden in the home. One way to reduce air pollution in Jakarta is to create a garden in the yard. This activity will make the air around the house feel fresher. For those of you who do not have a large area of land, a hydroponic gardening system can be a solution. When everyone does this at home, it is not impossible that the air quality will improve and everyone can move in peace outside the house. That's all from our group. More and less please forgive. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.